So when's the last time you guys actually cleaned the grinder? What I mean by that is take the blade out from the Barista Express. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So here's what we're gonna do. Just like a base cleaning, like that. And then from here, use a 10mm socket wrench. Go clockwise. So this is a reverse thread, so clockwise. And then you might need like tweezer to take the parts out. And then you're going to have two washers here. Remove the washer and blade, like that. Get the two washer, and this blade is going to come out. At this point, you might want to vacuum out all ground beans. And then what you're going to do is, after that, you need to remove this blade right here. And this is a little tricky to come out, so I like to use like a little needle nose. Scoop it out. There we go. And then you guys can clean this one as well. Just make sure this is out. And then from here, so you have this look like little felt. Remove that too. And then you're gonna have a washer. Make sure, be careful, just make sure take the dishwasher out as well. You're gonna see one washer right there. This is it. This is a little tricky to come out. Finally, so dishwasher, like that. So at this point, you guys, now everything's will come out. At this point, you might want to just vacuum out the rest of the beans. Whenever you put it back, just a reverse order. So by the way, you need to be careful with this. It's look like little cloth there. It's a felt. Just make sure you don't want to damage that as well. And this is a little tricky to come out. So something like this, just like that. And this point, you want to scrub inside. Make sure get the oily grounds. Just scrub it, and then just vacuum out all the leftovers. And then so put it back together. Let me show you that. At this point, reverse direction. Put this big washer back, and then this felt. Just put it back here. And then put this one. Just make sure go all the way down. At this point, put the blade back in. So you see this hole right there, and these two holes there, going into that right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Those, and just fits right, just like that. And at this time, put these two washers back in. 1, 2, and then rest of this nut. So this is the counterclockwise. Pretty much it. And after that, put back the top bar. Click the rest of it. Motion is back on. Everything's working properly, and only thing you gotta do is make yourself coffee.